Myself, I am Divakar Shetty. I will be going to explain about industrial safety standards and safety of transport and industrial management subject of 5th SEM automobile engineering. First, industrial standards. The earlier industry will be only focused on product. They think about the quality of the product. But now things will be changed. The whole management system will be qualitative. Then only you can get a good product. Therefore, ISO will be set up. ISO series will be provided some guidelines and these certification will be focused on different sections. ISO means International Organization for Standards. In that 900 means it is a series 9000, 9001, 9002 like that. Defines the QMS as a management system to direct and control the organization with regard to the quality. A well designed, well implemented, and a well managed quality system provides documents and well managed quality systems provide confidence that output will meet the customers' expectations and requirements. Industrial standards means what are the objectives here? To satisfy the customers through quality products, to gain the self confidence, we get what we planned, and you can compete with the local as well as overseas markets, and also it is a blueprint for what effort to improve the quality system and of the organization. Then what ISO? ISO is a nickname for the International Organization for Standards. And international standards, more than 100 countries will be using these certifications or getting this certification through international levels. ISO is a non-governmental organization. It is established in long back 1947 by International Standard Agency. Its headquarters in Geneva. And principles are applicable to all organizations, not only particular organization, all organizations. Then ISO 9000 is a standard for a quality system, not the product. Earlier I told this company will be focused on product. If product will be qualitative, they will get the market, but now not the system like that. If management quality system means ultimately you get the good product. ISO 9000 is based on the documentations and what you are did, you can document it. Document what you are do and do what you are documented, what your documents say, and improve it and prove it and improve it. And ISO 9000 is series will be emphasize the preventions, anyways, all those things. ISO 9000 is a universal standard, not only particular locality or particular country. It focuses on what needs to be done and not, and on how it will be carried out. Then this series 8402, 9000, 9001 like what it will be and where it will be applicable. Quality systems vocabulary 8402 and 9000 quality system guidelines for selection and use of standards on quality systems. 9001 quality system models for quality assurance in design of product and development of product, production, installation and servicing of the product. 9002 is a quality system models for quality assurance in production and installation. 9003 quality systems model for quality assurance in final inspection. Once the product will be finished, it will be good for final inspection and testing. And ISO 9004 for quality management and quality system element guidelines. Then who done this? Otherwise, who will be doing the certification? Certification is the process of assessment and registration of the quality management system to ISO 9000 series done by a third party. Originally intended to be a two-party systems, the ISO 9000 process becomes the third party accreditation process. They have independent laboratory or a certification agency conducts the audit. Once in a 3 years, again you go for recertifications. And individual sites cannot focus on whole industries. You can get the certification for site level, otherwise your section level must achieve registration individually. Next, all costs are to be borne by the applicant only. Then again, this advantage means whatever the objectives are there, once they are satisfied, that is itself with advantages. To satisfy the customers through quality product, to gain self-confidence by getting results as per the plan, to achieve the competitiveness in both the local and overseas markets, to act as a blueprint for effort to improve the quality system of the organization. Then ISO 9000-2000 is a set of general guidelines that organization can adopt to improve their quality management system. The guidelines are so broad enough to apply the business companies as well as non-profit organizations also. There are several principles in the ISO. One is main is the focus is customers, customer focus, and second one is leadership, and third one is people's involvement, otherwise involvement of all the peoples, and it will be not product approaches, it is a process approach, and the management is a system approach. The management will be system approach based, and not only for particular day or particular period, it is a continual improvement process, and decision making depends on the factual approaches, and there is a beneficial for suppliers and maintains a good relations. There is mutual benefit suppliers and buyers. Next, it consists of three documents. And is ISO 9000. It is for fundamentals and vocabulary. And ISO 9000 requirements, we organize it in four sections: management responsibility, then resource management, product realizations and measurements, analysis and improvements. ISO 9004, third document, it is a guidance for performance improvement. Next, ISO 9000-2000 is a quality management system and fundamentals and standards. It provides certain terminologies to understand and defines the usage in the standards. It is a starting point for understanding the system of standards. And ISO 9001-2000 is a quality management system requirements. This is the standard used for certifications of a firm quality management system. And it is used to demonstrate the conformity of quality management system to meet the customer requirements. Then ISO 9004-2000 is a quality management system. It having certain guidelines for performance. It provides the guidelines for establishing the quality management system, and it also focusing not only the meeting customers requirement but also improving the performances. This is the first section of the industrial standards and safety. The MCQ, multiple choice question. Which of the following is a correct abbreviation of ISO? ISO means International Organizations for Standards. It's a C is the correct answer. Next, second one is which of the following provides guidelines on selection and use of quality management systems? It is ISO 9000, 900, and one more zero is there. That's a 9000. It will provide the guidelines. Next, which of the following issues the ISO certificates? International organization? No. External certification body. There is a separate third party certification body that issues the ISO certificates. And for which the function of ISO 9000 certification is applicable? For design and development of product, production, installation and servicing. The correct answer is all the above. In all field it will be applicable. And which of the following covers the final inspection and testing? ISO 9001, 9002, 9003 and 9004. It is a 9004 is covered, 9003 will be covers for final inspection and testing. And last one is how much elements are there in the ISO 9001? There are 20 elements will be covered in the ISO 9001. 1. Thank you.